In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add header items to your left and right margins on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and go directly to your website's header section. The header is the area at the top of your site, and it's usually where you place important navigation items, branding, or quick access elements. Once you're in the editor, click on the header so it becomes selected. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the header itself and not another section of the page by mistake. After the header is selected, look at the options that appear above it. From those options, choose Spacing. This is where you can control the amount of padding inside the header. Padding affects how much space there is between the content in the header and the edges of that section, so adjusting it can help create more room on the left and right sides for the items you want to place there. Once you open the spacing settings, you can adjust the padding by clicking and dragging the slider. As you move the slider, keep an eye on how the header changes in real time. This helps you fine-tune the amount of space so your layout looks balanced and clean. If you want items to sit more comfortably near the left and right margins without feeling cramped, this is the setting you'll use to create that space. After you've adjusted the padding, you're ready to add your header elements. Go to the top left of the editor and click Add. From there, click Elements. This section includes many of the visual and functional items you can place on your site. One of the most commonly used header items is a menu, since it helps visitors move through your website easily. To add one, search for a menu in the Elements section. When you find a style you like, click and drag it into your header, then drop it into place. You can position it based on the spacing you just set up, which makes it much easier to align it toward the left or right side of the header. And that's it. By adjusting the header spacing first and then adding your element, you can create a cleaner layout and better use the margins in your Wix header. If you want, you can repeat the same approach with other header elements as well, using the same spacing area to help everything fit neatly and look more professional.